Hey guys, April here. Do you ever feel like you really should meal prep, or you would love to be able to meal prep, just to reach into your fridge and pull out some super healthy gluten-free meal that you put together on the weekend, but you just really don't feel like you have the time? If that sounds like you may be interested in what I have to show you, because this is my favorite way to meal prep for lazy people like me, but I still do want to be able to reach into the fridge and grab some healthy gluten-free food out. And the way I do that when I don't feel like prepping a whole meal is to prep more like a snack box, I'm gonna call it, in sort of this bento style box. So let me just open this one up and show you what I mean. So this one has some protein, some fruit, and some veggies. We've got hard-boiled eggs, we've got grapes in this one. I have a kale salad I had left over, and I have some carrots. So what I love about this type of snack box prep is that it doesn't feel really overwhelming, like I have to make a whole thing of chili or all these chicken breasts and all this like food that needs to be reheated, etc. I really love these snack boxes just for those days when I really don't feel like doing much meal prep at all. These type of snack boxes with some balanced gluten-free food can really be life-saving, and I found them super helpful. So maybe you will too. Check the links in the description because I've got some more resources on meal prep and meal planning if you're interested. See you next time.